Hello friends, welcome back to Technical Pathshala. So in this video, we will learn about many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. We will learn about junction object and we will see how we can achieve many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. So first of all, it is very important to understand what is many-to-many relationship. Actually, between two objects, a many-to-many relationship exists if one record of that object can be associated with multiple records of another objects and vice versa. For example, a company can have multiple customers and at the same time one customer can be associated with multiple companies also. So for achieving many to many relationship, we need one common place where we can have the reference of both type of objects like intersection table in our relational database. So in this case, Salesforce, this is called junction object. So in this, we will take one scenario and we will try to achieve this. So we have cases and contacts. So one case can have multiple witnesses associated with this and at the same time, one witness can be associated with multiple cases. So we will create one junction object for this. And what is a junction object in Salesforce? Junction object is nothing but it is a object that have two master details relationship. So in this case, we will create one for cases and one for contacts. Let's do that. So go to the object manager. Create one new custom object. Label. Witness. Witnesses. Select this record name as auto number. So display format. Just copy this. Start with number one. Save. So now we have created this custom object. So now we will turn it into a junction object. So for this we will create two master details relationship in this. So in this click on new, select master details relationship. So in any junction object, the first master details relationship that we create becomes a primary relationship. So select this. Name as witness. Next. Next. And next. Related list level. Save. So now you can see that we have created one case witness. So create one more. Select the type as master details relationship. So for a many to many relationship in any technology or in any database, one intersection object, whether it is table or like this custom object. So one intersection object is mandatory that can have the reference of both parent and child. So related to this contact, sorry, I have selected this as contract. Select this as contact. Give this name as witness cases. Next. So now you can see in this master details relationship, record name was not configured because first relationship that we have created becomes the primary relationship for this. Click on next. Save. So now you can see we have successfully created two master details relationships in this object. Now we will test this in our application. So go to cases, click on any case. So here case witness, you can see this related list. So you can click on next. Select John Smith, save, create one new, create new contact, Esther, first name Kumar, last name John, account name dummy, and save this. So you can see that we have associated two witnesses with this case. Similarly, you can assign the same witness to other case also. In the rated list, case witness, click on next. So here you can see that both contacts are here. So you can associate one single contact as a witness with multiple cases. Okay, now go to the contacts. Here you can see this John Smith. So this John Smith has one case associated with this. So similarly, you can assign another case also. So now we have successfully created and tested many-to-many relationship in Salesforce. So thanks for watching my video.